Hello students, how are you all? Yes, today our subject is English. Revision Essay 1. Okay, we are doing revision of English of Essay 1. We have finished fill in the blanks. We have done meanings, give one word, rhyming words, rearrange letters. So today we are going to revise true or false of lesson number 1, 3, 4 and 6 and of poem 2 and 5. Okay children? Yes. So now see, revise true or false. Today we are going to do revision of true or false. See, in the exam, two options may be given and you have to select either the sentence is true or the sentence is false. Two options may be given, true or false. Okay? Yes. So it will be either true or either false. Understood? So now you know true or false. True are the sentences which are correct and false are the sentences which are wrong. So have you understood? Very good. So now will you tell me? Okay? Yes. Now see. True or false? These true or false are of lesson number 1 and poem 2. Okay? So first we will read the sentence and I hope you all will understand it. Okay? So first you read and understand and then give answers. And that also select either true or false. Okay children? Now see number 1. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. So you all know that this is the line in the poem. Now you have to tell me either this is true or it is false. A home can be made of sticks and mud. The sentence is, what the sentence is? Very good. True. 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 Very good. Now see number 2. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. Now you all know what is helmet. Okay. Number 2 is Shruti's father gives her a helmet. So what will be the answer? Yes, it is Shruti's gift. No? Shruti is having a gift from her father and that gift is helmet. So what will be the answer here? True. True, true. Two options may be given, true or false, and you have to select true. Okay? Number 3 is the bicycle is old. The bicycle is old. So is this sentence correct? No. Bicycle is not old. Bicycle is new. Understood? So this sentence is very good. All are doing fine. It is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay children? Now see number 4. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. We have learned this, no? About home, where home can be. Very good. Home can be under the ocean also. Very good. So, is this sentence true or false? The sentence is true. 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 Okay, children? Now see number 5. You can be safe and sound in a forest. You can be safe and sound in a forest. Is it right? No, you cannot be safe and sound in forest. You can be safe and sound in a home. In forest, there are wild animals, so you cannot be safe. So the answer is yes. The sentence is wrong, no? So answer is false. 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 Okay, children? See, now we will do again this. I will read. A home can be made of sticks and mud. That is true. Number 2 is Shruti's father gives her a helmet. That is true. Number 3 is the bicycle is old. That sentence is false. Number 4 is a home can be under the ocean. That is true. A home can be under the ocean. That is true. Number 5 is you can be safe and sound in a forest. That sentence is false. Okay, children? Now see. Number 6. Shruti is 6 years old. Shruti is 6 years old. So this sentence is true or false? Very good. This sentence is true. 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 Number 7. See number 7. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. So the sentence is true. Now see number 8. A home can be 2 stories tall only. It can be 2 stories tall only? No, it can be 20 stories tall also. So this sentence is false. Okay, children? Number 9 is you can be safe and sound in a forest. You can be safe and sound in a forest. So this sentence is true or false? We have done before, no? Very good. This sentence is false. 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 Okay, number 10. See number 10. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. See number 10. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. So the sentence is true. 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 Okay, children? Now you all know this. We will read one time. Shruti is 6 years old. True. Number 7. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. True. Number 8. A home can be 2 stories tall only. It is false. Number 9. You can be safe and sound in a forest. That is false. Number 10 is Shruti's father gives her a helmet. That is true. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will learn other. See now, true or false. These are of lesson number 3. See here. Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat. So what is cat's name? Cat's name is Mimi. So Mimi is a cat. That is true. 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 Okay. Number 2 is Fluffy is a boy. Now you all know that Fluffy is not a boy. Fluffy is a name of a dog. Dog's name is Fluffy. Okay. So Fluffy is a boy. That sentence is false. Understood? Now see number 3. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. So what will be the answer here? Mimi plays with a ball of wool. Do you know? Mimi plays with a ball of wool, no? Oh, who is Mimi? Very good. Mimi is a cat. And it plays with a ball of wool. So here it is true. 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 Okay, children? Now see number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits. So what will be the answer here? Fluffy likes biscuits. Yes, Fluffy is a dog. And dog likes biscuits. We have seen in the lesson, no? Fluffy is eating biscuits. So Fluffy likes biscuits. So whether the sentence is true or false? Fluffy likes biscuits. This sentence is very good. It is, you all know this. True. 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 Okay, children? Now see number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. That is true. Now see number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Now what is stroke? We are remembering. We have done no stroke. It is gently moves one's hand on a skin or a fur. That is stroke. We have learned in give one word. Okay, children? Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. So that sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, children? Now we will revise this. True or false? Number 1. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2 is Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3 is Mimi plays with a ball of wool. That is true. Number 4 is Fluffy likes biscuits. That sentence is true. Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. That is false. Now you all have remembered this. Okay, children? Now see. We will learn Next one. See, true or false? Number 1. These are of lesson number 4. Very good. So see here. Swati is going to the garden. Swati is going to the garden. This sentence is true or false? Swati is going to the garden? No. She is going to school, not garden. She is going to school. So you all know that. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, children. Number 1. See. Swati is going to the garden. That sentence is false. Number 2 is Swati enters the classroom. Swati enters the classroom. That sentence is, yes, she is entering the classroom, no? She is going to school. This we have learned in fill in the blanks also. So Swati enters the classroom. The sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, children? Now see number 3. Swati makes friends with others in the class. Swati makes friends with others in the class. Swati makes friends with others in the class. Is this sentence right or wrong? Yes, he is making friends, no? Very good. So this sentence is also true. T-R-U-E. True. Now see number 4. Swati loves to learn new things. Swati loves to learn new things. We all know that Swati is a girl. She wants to go to school. But now she loves to learn new things. She loves her teacher. Yes. So this sentence is true. Okay, children. See now number 1. Swati is going to the garden. That is false. Number 2 is Swati enters the classroom. That is true. Number 3 is Swati makes friends with others in the class. True. Number 4 is Swati loves to learn new things. That is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay. Swati loves to learn new things. That sentence is true. I hope now you all have understood this. True or false? Okay. Now see. True or false of the poem, open a book. Now see number 1. We have to read the sentence properly. Understand it well. Okay, children? And these true or false are given in your textbook. And you have written in your fair book also. Okay? So now see number 1. When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. Is this sentence right? Understand well. Huh? Same kind, people, places of same kind? No, it is wrong, no? We find people and places of different kind, not same kind. See, read again if you not understood. When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. So what will be the answer here? When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. So this sentence is true or false? Same kind. Remember, same kind. It is not same kind. It is different kind. Okay? So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Now see number 2. You can be anything you want to be if you close a book. See, remember number 2. You can be anything you want to be if you close a book. Close a book. See here, close a book. If you close a book? No. What is the name of this poem? Very good. Open a book. So this sentence is also, do you remember this sentence is also false. Okay, children. Now see number 3. When you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. Remember this? Read again. When you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, children. Now see number 4. The line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. The line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. Now remember, it comes 3 times in the poem? No. So this sentence is also false. Okay, it appears 4 times, not 3 times. Understood, children? See, now we will read this so that you will be able to understand it. When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. That is false. Number 2 is, you can be anything you want to be if you close a book. That is false. Number 3, when you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. That sentence is true. Number 4, the line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. That sentence is false. Now I hope you all have understood this true or false of poem also. Now see, last lesson, lesson number 6 of essay 1. Okay children? So, little ant loves to play. Little ant loves to play. Ant was playing? No, ant was reading. So number 1 is false. F-A-L-S-E. Okay children? Number 2 is ants collect the food. Ants collect the food. That sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay children? Now see number 3. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. See, fresh fruit, it is not fruit. Ants were carrying fresh buns. Do you remember? Fruits and vegetables. They were carrying vegetables and fresh buns. Okay children, remember this. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. That sentence is false. Now see number 4. The stores are full. The stores are full. So what will be the answer? Stores are full, no? Very good. It is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Now see number 5. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. Okay, so that sentence is false. It extends her hand. Okay children, now see we will read once again. Okay, number 1, little ant loves to play. False. Number 2, ants collect the food. True. Number 3, the ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. False. Number 4 is the stores are full. The sentence is true. Okay. Queen told no that now stores are full. Ants brought vegetables and fresh buns to fill the stores. Okay. And Queen was very happy because the stores were full. Understood? Very good. So Queen was glad that the stores were full. She was very happy. Now see number 5. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. This sentence is false. You know the meaning of extend, no? Stretch. Little ant's baby sister stretch her hand. Why? She also wants to read the book. The ant was reading. Okay. See number 5 again. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. False. Okay. Now I hope you all have understood this. You all have completed this in your fair book also. And now see, you all have to learn very well. Okay. So now be safe at home. Okay children. what you have to do? You have to revise this. Okay, I will send it to you. You do your revision properly. And at last, thank you. Okay, children?